Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. M is a set of 6 consecutive even integers. When the least 3 integers of set M are summed, the result is x. When the greatest 3 integers of set M are summed, the result is y. Which of the following is true? Here are the answers. Okay, we can solve it algebraically with a nice solution, but this is an SAT question. Most of the times you won't have enough time to do this, so we use a, let's say, cheat method. M is a set of 6 consecutive even integers. Okay, let's write up 6 consecutive even integers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 12, 10, 12. Okay, when the least integers are summed, 2 plus 4 plus 6, that's 12, result is x equals 12. When the greatest integers are summed, result is y. 8 times 12 is 20, plus 10 is 30, y equals 30. Which of the following is true? Y equals x plus 18, because 12 plus 18 is 30. A is the answer. Here is how you would solve it in an SAT. You not always have to have a clean solution. If you can try numbers easily, like this, we just written down 6 consecutive even integers. It works. You don't always have to be precise. But for those of you who want to know how to solve it algebraically, I give you an algebraic. I will write it down. So try this problem with the first method. Let's see if we get the same answer. Okay. N is a set of 5 consecutive odd integers. Then, okay, let's write down 5 consecutive odd integers, but we could have any integers. So let's say the first integer is x. Okay, next odd integer would be, next consecutive odd integers would be 2 away from x. Like if x is 3, the next would be 5. So the next would be x plus 2. The next would be x plus 4. Then x plus 6. Then x plus 8. Because they're always 2 away from each other. When the least 2 integers of set n are summed, these two, the result is a. So a would be equal to x plus 2. It's 2x plus 2. Sorry, 2x plus 2. When the greatest 2 integers, these two, we don't care about this one, then when the greatest 2 integers of set n are summed, the result is b. b would be equal to x plus 6 plus x plus 8. So that's 2x plus 14. Which of the following is true? And here we are the answer. Okay, we have to know the value of a. A is equal to in terms of b. So a is equal to 2x plus 2. How we can put here b? Well, b is equal to 2x plus 14. We don't quite have 14, but you can use the trick. We can say that it's equal to 2x plus 2 plus 12 minus 12. So these would cancel out and we will left the same. But you see, plus 2 and plus 12, that will be plus 14. And what do we know about 2x plus 14? That's b. So a is equal to b minus 12. B minus 12. We have b minus 12. So the answer is b. So did you get the same answer? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. There is already one waiting for you in the description.